Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I just received a package in the mail today. Um, this is my replacement screen for my Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Some of you probably seen my other videos that my phone took a bit of a hit. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's a crack that runs all the way from here all the way across. So I want to see if I can get this fixed. And I tried replacing the screen on my wife's Samsung Galaxy S3 and it didn't turn out that great, mostly because of the tape. There's like some double-sided sticky tape that runs all the way around the edge, and I tried to reuse what was already there and it didn't turn out so good, so we're going to give it a shot. This particular screen here, I paid $14.45 off of eBay. Shipping was for free. The seller's name is Joyful927, shipped out of Chicago, Illinois, and I received it in, I think, about 4 days. And here, I'll give you guys a quick look at it here. And here, hopefully you can kind of see what you need to. $14.45. Supposed to come with looks like 2 little screwdrivers, 2 pry tools, another type of pry tool, a little suction cup for helping you put the screen on, and then this is supposed to be the adhesive, so we'll see how all that turns out. Out of 31,525 reviews, 99.5% positive, so that's the reason why I went with this particular seller. So I'm gonna put that back there, and let's pop open the box and see what we got. So anxious to hopefully get my screen fixed because it drives me insane having a phone with a broken screen. It just drives me absolutely insane. So open up the box, a bubble wrap, small package here, another little package. Here we have the tools. Let's open this up and see what's actually inside here. Just feel like you're about to get down and dirty. So this is the little suction cup. I guess you can kind of use for helping put the screen on, that kind of thing. A couple of little pry tools. A slight difference between the two. Nothing really special. This is a tiny Phillips head, really, really small. And this is a really, really small hex head. And then almost what looks to be a guitar pick there. Okay. I got 2 screens. That's weird. I only ordered 1. Okay. And then there is 2 adhesives. So these guys accidentally sent me 2 screens. Looks like it might be a little darker. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. Everything looks to be pretty much identical, so shouldn't be an issue. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started with this and cross our fingers, see how it goes. So alright, stay tuned. Okay, so we're back again and kind of got everything set up. I've got to apply a lot of heat in order to get the adhesive loose around the screen. So I actually dug out my hair dryer that I haven't used in probably 18 years. So I have that here. I have my note, what appears to be the adhesive here, all the little tools that came with the package, and the screen. Again, they sent me 2 screens for some reason. I don't know why. I'll contact the seller to let them know. I don't like taking stuff that's not mine. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to power this thing off. So let me go ahead and shut this thing down. Even with the screen replaced, it still kind of looks a little torn and battered. I'm going to go ahead and pop out my SIM card. Just rather be safe than sorry. Power's off. I'm going to go ahead and take the battery out. I'm just going to put the back cover back on just to make it a little bit easier to handle, hopefully. I hope you guys can see this. Alright, time to start heating it up. This is going to take a while. Okay, so I've heated it up, got it pretty warm, and just enough to where I can get, a little bit of leverage. I don't know how well you can see, but right now I currently have this pry thing stuck between the glass and the frame. You just have to get in there really, really tight, and you want to take your time, be really, really careful, because you want to heat it up, let the glass pull away with pressure. You don't want to pry it loose. So I'm going to go ahead and heat it up some more and let it continue to separate itself. So I'm just going to continue to slowly work this around. So I'm not going to bore you guys with all the details. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this and keep working it. Okay. Well, so I've continued heating and prying slowly all the way around the unit. So I've pretty much gotten the glass completely free. Now there's just a few little areas that I'm still, just kind of working loose at this point. And again, you guys, be extremely careful, because This stuff is really, really dangerous. You are working with glass here, so something just don't look right here. So I'm going to go ahead and keep working on this and try to get all this completely loose and separated. And or maybe I'll just show you, because it looks like it's coming apart right now. And it looks like I have a slight problem. Looks like the digitizer's broke. I don't know this, but there's a piece of like a little aluminum that's there. And I can see there, and it looks like there's a crack running all the way across that. Guys, I might have an issue. Okay, alright, let me get back to you in just a minute. Well guys, not good news. I hit the power button and my screen is dead. So somewhere I guess the digitizer broke. So no phone. Phone is completely dead. So anyway, is what it is. So I'll figure out where to go from here. So, but lights look good down there, huh? Yeah. It's gone. It's dead. Can't win them all. Yeah, the only thing I can figure is when I was prying from the edge that it somehow I must have went too deep and caught the edge of the digitizer or something. I don't know. Oh, there it is, right there. Sure did. Ended up ripping the damn digitizer off. Win some, we lose some. So anyway, looks like I'll be ordering a new phone. I was planning on upgrading to the Note 3, but I can't be without a phone at my work, so I've got to figure out something. So anyway, this is how not to replace the screen on your Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Anyway, better luck next time. Alright guys, bye.